Let's begin with vowel A, or the sound is A. A, arc, anchor, alligator, astronaut, ambulance, axe, arc, anchor, alligator, astronaut, ambulance, axe. A, art, abacus, arrow, apple, avocado, ant, art, abacus, arrow, apple, avocado, ant. Your way to go. Vowel E. The sound is E. E, earth. E, elevator. E, elbow. E, exit. E, engine. E, elf. Earth, elevator, elbow, exit, engine, elf. Envelope, 8. Elephant, eraser, empty, 11. Envelope, 8. Elephant, eraser, empty, 11. Outstanding! Vowel I. There are two sounds of letter I. One is E and the other is I. Same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, E, igloo. E, infant. E, Indian. E, iguana. E, ink. E, insect. Igloo, infant, Indian, iguana, ink, insect. Next is the I sound. I, island. I, ice skates. I, iron. I, ice cube. I, ice box. I, ice cream. Island, ice skates, iron, ice cube, ice box, ice cream. Outstanding! Vowel O. The sound is ah. Ah. Ah, owl. Ah, orange. Ah, ostrich. Ah, oval. Ah, open. Ah, onion. Owl, orange, ostrich, oval, open, onion. A, officer. Octopus. Author. Octagon. Ox. Ocean. Officer, octopus, otter, octagon, ox, ocean. O, omelette. Oak, oat, open, otter, over, omelette, oak, oat, open, alter, over. Outstanding! Vowel U. The sound is O. O. O, under. O, umbrella. O, upside down. O, up. O, underneath. O, upset. Under, umbrella, upside down, up, underneath, upset. There is another sound of letter U, and this is U. Same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, U, ukulele. U, unicycle. U, utensils. U, unicorn. U, uniform. U, U-turn. Ukulele, unicycle, utensils, unicorn, uniform, U-turn. Children